Alright, so this is like the hardest video I think I've ever tried to film, as far as like physically hard to film. I already started cleaning when I decided to go ahead and share, so it's kind of already in a mess, but this is before all of this stuff just kind of thrown in here. I done this, I threw everything in here when we moved in here a couple of months ago, and now I've got a dog trying to help me. Okay, get back. And I never looked back. There's pull-ups and trash and all kinds of junk in the floor, and underneath here, because this is where we keep a lot of our dog stuff, and then where we keep pull-ups for just in case, and then and then their cabinet here, and then just like a little picture of them all together when they were smaller, and a diffuser. So I'm gonna try to organize this and share with you. I mean, it's dirty in here. This is where the dogs go in and out. This is their little fence for right now, and then I've got a hook up here for towels, but I'm gonna try my best to redo this area and make it a little bit more functional and easy for my kids to keep up with, because this is their bathroom. So I'm gonna clean out all of this up here above me, and whoop, that this mirror right here. I've got a lot of head space, like you can see, like from here to there is a lot of space, but I don't know if I want to utilize that space or not, because the kids can't reach up there. Me and my husband can. And then I also have, if I can turn around, space above, because the toilet sits like at a catty cornered, so we have this thing for the tissue, which works out fine. I need to scoot it back, but I can like add some type of shelf or something there. I haven't quite figured that out yet, but I'm gonna bring you along and hopefully we'll get it figured out. Try my best to show you everything that I can, but it is so tight in here. So what I'm about to start doing, I've already pulled everything except for something that my husband uses for the toilets that I know has to stay under there. I've pulled everything out from underneath the counter. The only thing I didn't do was pull the things out of the mirror cabinet, the medicine cabinet thing, but I don't have room to put it even if I did pull it out. So I'm going to start by just getting a bag and throwing away everything that I know is trash or we don't need. If it's something that we can donate, I'll do that as well. But I'm mainly going to start with trash and like donate or give away. So I pretty much found everything that I believe. Sorry, I promise y'all I brush my hair. It just doesn't stay brushed. But anyway, now I'm going to start separating things out into categories. My girls, they have a lot of fingernail polish. That's what I was just kind of cleaning that out. And makeup. So I'm going to start separating that out. This is just one bin of it. There's another bin down here with some more things in it. And then we've got stuff like for summertime, like sunscreen and earplug things, and then more sunscreen or sunblock, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to separate all that out. That may go to a different spot. I'm not sure, the sunscreen or whatever. And then my son is like obsessed with cologne. not the healthiest thing ever. Of course, there's different things in there. You know, whatever. That's just his thing. And he only wears it like, when we go to church, he'll like spray just like one little spray, and that's it. So anyway, he's keeping all of those. And then I have like some bins that have their cleaning stuff for their bathroom. They've got paper towels in here to clean with. And then, like I said, we keep our dog stuff in here, so I'm going to make like a bin for that. My oldest daughter just started shaving, so she's got extra razors in here. We've got extra like hair products and things like that, so I'm probably going to have to go look in my stash of bins and can you see me better like this? Yes. And get and get some more bins to actually separate this stuff into. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of separate into categories. So I'm already on the last spot. I've got it all cleared out, wiped off, and now I am going through and throwing away some things that are that were in there, like empty toothpaste things that apparently they don't know where trash cans at. But throwing those things away and just going ahead and separating everything out like I did before and making little baskets, because this is still going to be my son's space and this is going to be my daughter's shared space. So I'm going to have to figure out a way for everything for both girls to fit in here. And then my son, that's plenty of space for like his deodorant, his toothbrush, his he's got face wipes, his brush, stuff like that to go in here. So I'm going to go ahead and separate this stuff out. I wiped these bins down and I put these in here. These little things came from Dollar Tree and so did the pink bin. But I'm going to put their toothbrushes, their toothpaste, and then their little timer thing in here. This is for the girls. And then I'm going to put their face little cleansing brushes in the other compartment. And then in the middle, I'm going to put their deodorants. And hopefully that will help them keep everything better organized, because they can just kind of turn it like this or just stick it in there, but it should go down in that little thing. And so next, oh, and I found some stuff that doesn't belong in here. This belongs in the other bathroom. So some stuff, like I said, doesn't belong in here. And I'm also going to add their lotion back in here, because they're supposed to put on lotion when they get out of the shower. So they just come back in here, brush their teeth, put on lotion, whatever they need to do. So I'm going to just stick that there. I'm going to go ahead and put my son's lotion back up at the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to his. Wipe his bin down, clean it out, and then go from there. Alright, so I have to film with this door open, the back door, because there wouldn't be enough lighting if I didn't. So, you're just gonna come in. I cleaned up the floor, swept off the rug. I did not throw it in the washer yet, but I will. Another dog trying to escape. But anyway, so I cleaned up the toilet. I got their tissue thing filled up, and I cleaned all of this up. So now their makeup is here, their fingernail polish is there, their extra hand towels are here, and Isaiah's cologne and things are there. And then they have their extra stuff up here, like extra face wipes and extra toothpaste and things like that. So I'm gonna close it. I left my hook there, but I did use my Norwex towels, so it's just there. And then I found these pictures that my mom gave me. I meant to hang them up when we got here, and apparently I just forgot that they were up there. But so those are there. I'm gonna close the door, and first off, I'm gonna tell you this is a heater, and it's just ran to the kids' room. So anyway, they have a nightlight in here. So I cleaned up everything. They just have this cute little dog from a store, a local store. I think it's called At Home. And then their little soap. We put up this hand towel holder, whatever you want to call it. There I am. My hair probably looks even worse now because I just bent down to open this door and my hair got caught on this and like ripped some hair out. But anyway, we survived. So I left the picture up there and I need to wipe it off. I didn't even realize apparently when you brush teeth, that's just a requirement. Toothpaste all over the place. But, I set this, arrow that I found that I forgot I had also, up there. I'm going to get my husband to hang that up, when he gets home up there. I'm trying to step back. I don't want to be like all over the toilet, but anyway, and now I'm knocking the picture off. This is such a disaster. Well, since I knocked it off, I can show you how easily it goes back on. I forgot what these are called, but they just pop back on there. They're on there with like little command hook magnet things. But anyway, I'm going to get him to hang their picture up and then hang that arrow up right here. And I'll just leave the diffuser there. I really don't use it, but I just leave it there. Oh yeah, duh, the whole reason we're here. Ta-da! So I cleaned out his basket and put all of his toothpaste, his toothbrush, his lotion back, his face wipes, his razor, just all of his like toiletry things, and then the things that he uses for his hair. And then the girls have some wipes. I went ahead and put them in there because we had some extra ones and they like cleaning their faces, which they do have these little face brush things. Isaiah has one as well, but his isn't electric. Sorry, that is really loud, but I have to have this door open for the light. And like I said earlier, I believe I just threw their lotions back in here so they can do that after they get out of the shower. So hopefully that will stay a little bit neater. And then we're going to turn around again. And we're gonna oh, I already showed you that. Okay. Anyway, so my mind is all over the place. I already showed you that cabinet. I don't know what I'm doing. I know it was underneath the sink. My mind is all over the place. Let's show you underneath the sink. Let's turn it around. I'm so silly. I knew there was a spot I didn't show you. So anyway, this is under the sink. I had an extra tissue. I could take it back to our bathroom, but I'm just going to leave it right there. We have their basket that their cleaning supplies are in for them to clean the bathroom because they're the ones that are supposed to do that. That big bin back there has all of our dog stuff in it. Dog clippers, dog towels, dog blankets, extra dog toys, and things like that. And then we have this here for extra pull-ups if we need them, and bags for them to throw them away in. So yeah,